Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you strength train, you know how important it is to keep your hands protected. And I really love these gloves that I have by LIFECT. I have them here in a size medium, and I think that this aqua color is super pretty. But what I really love is how functional these gloves are. They're fingerless gloves, which I appreciate because I'm able to freely move my fingers, but they have so much padding right where I need it, especially in the palm and right underneath my fingers. I get a lot of calluses there from weightlifting, so that's perfect to have that extra padding there. I also appreciate the ventilation on the top of my hand. The Velcro back makes it super easy to adjust them depending on how much room you need. And I wear a couple of fitness trackers, so I appreciate too that these on me stop right before my fitness trackers, so they're super easy to wear along with those. I also appreciate the attention to detail on these. So a couple of things I love are the little tabs on the two middle fingers, which I can use to just pull the glove right off. Usually, especially if I'm sweaty, my hand gets stuck in a glove and then it turns inside out and it's this whole awkward mess. So I love that it has those tabs. On the thumb, it's this kind of soft like terry cloth. On the back, it's that really nice breathable material. And then of course on the palm is where you have all that awesome padding. So I just really appreciate that because it is providing you with so many different layers of support. Me personally, whether I am using kettlebells or if I'm doing bar work, even if I am doing some TRX training, I find that these transition, these kind of flow with me from one aspect of my workout to the next. If you need a little extra padding and support for your hands during your strength training workout, I highly recommend checking out these gloves by LIFECT. I think that you're going to love them too, but that's just my point of view.